Get up.
That's what she said.
See how quick he was.
So you went out the other night.
I went out the other night.
You got yourself in a little trouble.
I had a couple of beers.
A couple of beers.
Which I never drink beers.
You're going to have to explain yourself.
I'm going to have to explain myself.
All right.
What they're called are mini beers. And mini beers actually has no beer in it at all.
Mini beers happening.
What you're going to start with is liquor 43. And we're going to pour it into our, what do you call this thing?
Shaker.
1, 2, 3,
With ice.
4. Plus. It's all him.
Yes.
I feel like I'm getting better at this.
Wow. That's incredible.
Now we're going to pour our liquor 43. Got to leave a little room for the
broth.
Oh, look how good I did right there.
Everybody gets head, don't they?
Everybody gets head.
Is everyone laughing because I have a pour spigot?
Oh, we need more head than that.
More head. Yeah, everyone likes more head.
That's what he said. Probably don't need that much head.
And it's called what?
It's a mini beer.
I don't know how I feel about this one. I mean, it looks exactly like a mini beer.
Down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
So good.
It's good.
So good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
It's good.
It's good.
It's strong.
It's a little bitey.
It's strong.
It's a little bitey.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's delish. Okay, okay.
Whew.
I see why you had 22 of those.
These are amazing. Be spontaneous.